So where we are going is Ayodhya and Varanasi. We're on our way to Varanasi. It is currently 4 o'clock. We've just entered Varanasi. We ran late because there was traffic on the way. My head is bursting because of the heat. But what's the plan? I have no clue what the plan is. Like I said, my brain's turned off. So when I know, you know. That's how it works. We stopped at a dhaba to get some lunch. Paneer and roti. Works, sounds good. Is what I've been eating. I'm very happy. Again, weird angles because cannot vlog in public. Makes me really awkward. But yeah, we're gonna get off the bus, go to the hotel, I think, and then figure something out. I took a nap also. I meditated also. I'm flourishing. Yes, that's what's up. I will see you in a little bit when we're actually doing something. We are in our auto going to the hotel. Hello, bags. So we've checked into our hotel and it is the most gorgeous location ever. We're right on the ghat. We're on Rani Mahal Ghat and it's so pretty. Like itna sundar hai. There are like kids learning how to swim in the Ganga, which is so freaking cool. And we're gonna probably leave now to go see the Aarti. Probably gonna go get a boat and then figure it out. But super tired from sitting in the bus all day today. And then tomorrow is Kashi Vishwanath Day, which is so exciting. I want to buy some like nice chudis or jhumkis because I feel like my looks look so plain because I didn't bring anything from home. And it might be a little bit of like an inconvenience to wear a jhumka and to wear chudis while you're walking and sightseeing, but the look feels so incomplete. Like an Indian look is only complete with little jhumkis and oxidized jewelry, I feel. Look at this. Is like, it's so Varanasi. Like this is exactly what you see in all the movies. So the rest of the city is like pretty modern in its sense, like any regular Indian city, but this one part near the ghats, they're like tiny lanes and such nice people and these old houses. It's all so beautiful. Like there's really a charm to the city. It can instantly uplift your mood like in a second. Like my mood is like 10 times better. After sitting in that bus for like 5 hours and having the worst headache of my life, you would think that I would be really pissed off. But surprisingly, I'm great because, I don't know, this city I think has healing powers. Never know. We're going to see the Aarti in our boat. We have booked it and it is coming. And let's see, it's already 6:30, so let's figure this out. So we got onto our boat ride, but had a little bit of a disagreement with the driver. So we got off our boat. And then we watched the Aarti from Assi Ghat instead of watching it from the boat. Now we've come to eat at Pizzeria, which is very odd in Kashi, but good morning. It is bright and early. It is 8 a.m. I woke up at 6:30. It's very hot, as you can tell. And my hair I have washed, so now it is going to frizz up and I'm very upset about that, but it's okay. It's a beautiful day. Everyone's having a bath in the Ganga. Boats are on, and we are going to Kashi Vishwanath today. I have no clue, but I think we're supposed to be there by 8 because we have an aarti booked, and then later again today for a Sugam Darshan. But let's see. I'm trying to dry my hair a little bit because I forgot to carry a dryer. So अगर हल्के से भी ड्राई हो जाए ढंग से तो मैं एटलीस्ट नीचे से प्रेस मार के उनको थोड़ा सा समझा लूँ कि आज के दिन थोड़ा अच्छे से पेश आइएगा. बट या आंखें खुल नहीं रही है बिकॉज धूप इतनी तेज़ है, बट सुंदर इतना लग रहा है कि अंदर जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. We're walking to the mandir and I cannot vlog in public is all I have realized. We finished our darshan. I'll tell you about it later, but we're going to get something to eat for now. We've done darshan at the Kal Bhairav Mandir, and this is my second mala. I got one at Hanuman Gadi and now here. And now we are going to the Sankat Mochan temple. I have an amalgamation of tikas on my forehead. I don't know which one is from where. Probably the most peaceful and soul-warming streets in India are in Kashi. I'm convinced it is such a peaceful place because everyone here is truly, truly, truly at peace. A little philosophical, but that's the vibe. We've come back to the hotel for a little bit because the sun is piercing at the moment. But इतने अच्छे दर्शन हो गए. We were able to do a sparsh darshan also. I think that's what it's called. We did Rudrabhishek Puja also there only. It was great. It was an incredible experience. It's very new, the mandir, like the area around the mandir. The mandir is of course old, but so beautiful. The energy there is beyond incredible. I think Kashi is just a place where all is forgiven and all is just sort of let go of, and you come here, people come here to let go of their past and embrace a new future. And it's such a beautiful place that is getting the recognition that it deserves, but of course very touristy. You know, so many people here, so many people, but they're all here for the same thing. I hope they're all here to get blessings of the great Lord Shiv, and the rest is left up to him, I guess. अच्छे दर्शन, बुरे दर्शन, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है और उसकी मर्जी से होता है. So I think you just have to be confident in that. It's best to pray and leave it to him. I got some time to jump also there, so very, very grateful to be able to have this experience. We did book a Sugam Darshan online day before, which we did pay for, and for the Aarti also we booked it online and we paid for it. The Ayodhya Aarti, because it's free and there are only 30 slots, it sells out relatively quickly. But here, because it's paid and there are way more slots, it's obviously selling out slightly slower. The Aarti is at 8 o'clock and all the mandirs have shut right now, of course, because itni dhoop, itni garmi. So we went to Kashi Vishwanath, we went to the Kal Bhairav Mandir. There also, it was very nice to just, you know, be able to go and say, hi, can I live in Kashi? Is it okay? So it's like in Ayodhya they say if you've been to the Ram Mandir you must go to Hanuman Gadi to complete your darshan, and here they say if you've been to Kashi Vishwanath you must go to Kal Bhairav to complete your visit. So हमने पूरा किया and अब हम होटल में आ चुके हैं वापस. I'm standing on our balcony which we have the view of all of the ghats. शाम को 80 घाट की आरती तो नहीं देख पाएंगे, कल देख ली थी. कल सुबह का प्लान है, सुबह की 5 o'clock वाली आरती देखने का. अब देखते हैं उठते हैं नहीं उठते हैं, बट आई वुड रियली वांट टू वॉच इट. आई थिंक अराउंड 2:33 निकलेंगे लंच खाने. उसके बाद संकट मोचन टेम्पल करके eat some street food because I could really do with some golgappas right now. Then we will go back to Kashi Vishwanath for our aarti and then head back here and go to sleep. श्रद्धा से लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं and they put their all into Bole Baba and they just like surrender to him, and I think that's so beautiful to have that much faith in an energy, in a power that's so much greater than all of us. So yeah, super grandma-ish. If I sound like that to you, I'm very sorry, but it's just what I've been realizing, that स्ट्रेस लेने से तो कुछ होता है नहीं तो सब कुछ उस पर छोड़ के आगे बढ़ जाओ. लोग मेरे को ना यहाँ पर पागल समझ रहे हैं. मैं फ़ोन से बात करके गलियों में चल रही हूँ, इसलिए मैं व्लॉग नहीं कर रही हूँ. मेरे को डर लग रहा है कि लोग मेरे को पागल समझेंगे और फिर मेरे को कहीं बंद कर देंगे तो इसलिए ज़रा हम चुप ही रहते हैं. मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में, ब्रेक के बाद. हम तैयार होकर निकल चुके हैं and we've come to the Sankat Mochan temple, and then we'll probably go get something to eat and then do a little bit of shopping, and then we have our aarti. Finished our darshan, got some toffee like the old one, the orange खट्टा one जो दूसरा आता है, और अब हम जा रहे हैं लस्सी पीने, which is funny because मैं लस्सी पीती नहीं, but I will give everyone company. और मेरे को कुछ काट रहा है क्योंकि मैंने ओडोमोस नहीं लगाई है. We are at a साड़ी shop. हम शॉपिंग नहीं करने वाले हैं, बट हनी आंटी शॉपिंग करने वाली है.
एक तरफ लाल लगाओ, एक तरफ काली लगाओ. अंकुश कैसे देखेगी तुम्हारे? इधर एक लाल लगाओ ना, एक तरफ
लाल, एक और लगाना है.
वो सूट के साथ है. अच्छा भैया,
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, डिस्काउंट मिलेगा ना.
अरे चुन्नी देख रहे हैं भाई,
डबल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा ना. हाँ सही बात है.
ना सी विच वन?
रेड.
फोटो खींच लीजिए.
Red. It is 7:30 and we are walking to our aarti. They have closed. They put up barricades so you can't take an e-rickshaw inside. So we're gonna walk to the gate, which shouldn't be that far away. It should be another 20 minutes, but let's go. Hopefully we make it in time to get a good spot. We've come to eat dinner. We finished our aarti and it was great. I will tell you about it later because we're all super tired right now. Let's see if I wake up tomorrow for the morning aarti or not. But I'm logging off right now. I will see you tomorrow morning.
Bye bye.
Good morning. It is very sunny today because the sun is right on my head right now. Oh, diri. Baat jal gaya. I was supposed to wake up for aarti in the morning. I woke up, but no one to go with, so I decided to go back to sleep. फिर 4:30 बजे, 4:30 नहीं 5 बजे जो ड्रम बजे हैं यहाँ पर. एक बोट है, there's like this DJ boat. They were setting up at 5 o'clock in the morning and they have played the loudest bass music in the world. धम 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 धम, पूरा बिस्तर हिल गया. हम आधा घंटा तो I was awake. Then around 5:30 I woke up and I was like कि देख के तो मैं आऊँ कि कहाँ से ये ड्रम बज रहे हैं. And then I came outside. पहले तो we thought it was the aarti, so we were like, you know, it's okay. Then 5:30 I came out and I said the aarti does not have music like this, and that also so loud that we could hear it all the way from our hotel. So then I went outside and it was this huge boat and it was also the sun, like sunrise at the exact moment. So I took such beautiful pictures of the sunrise, like आधी नींद में मेरी आँखें बंद है. Then taking a photo of the sunrise, it was so gorgeous and there were so many birds in the sky. It was beautiful. But finally वो बंद हुआ. फिर 5:30 इसका थोड़ा म्यूज़िक कम हो गया, बेस म्यूज़िक नहीं बज रहा था, तो हम सो गए. And we woke up at 8, got ready, and they started again at 8. So we anyways had to wake up. And now we are going to a Shakti Peeth. I don't know the name of it, but it is about an hour and a half away from the city of Kashi. And then we're probably gonna eat lunch, head to the train station and leave. I'm so sad to be leaving this view, to be leaving this beautiful city. It's given me so much peace, so much happiness. I'm so grateful that I get to be here. The aarti last night was incredible. We booked it online, so it's $300 per person, or depending on the aarti. It was the Shringar aarti or the Sambhog aarti, I'm not sure. but it was from 9:15, 9:30 to like about 10:30, 10:45. We finished pretty late. Then we went and got dinner and everyone just passed out, and we came back home only by 1. So there was, I think, no way that anyone would have woken up at 4:45 to go to the Aarti. Leave it for next time. Last time looking at this view before I leave. So the mandir shuts in 5 minutes and we are still on our way. Let's see if we can catch it. Otherwise, hello, I am home. The mandir was super chaotic. It was shutting. We only got to do darshan from a little window. Then we got into the car and rushed to the station because we were going to miss our train. We got there just in time. We got onto our train. And now I'm back home. It was a 7-hour really long journey and the train wasn't the cleanest and the most comfortable. But it was okay and it was doable. And now we're back home. And I bought little churis. They're not really churis. They're more like bangles. But either way, gonna go retire now. But you know the drill. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever. Just have good time, man. Okay, bye.